Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to animate animals in Blender. We'll be splitting this video into 3 parts: rigging, animation, and motion paths. There are a few ways to rig in Blender. Option A, you can manually rig your model. Option B, you can use an add-on that auto-rigs it for you. If you want to use an add-on, check out Auto Rig Pro. You can grab it for free using the link in the description. But for this video, we're going to manually rig our animal because, honestly, it gives you more control and often more accurate results. All right, open up Blender and load in the animal you want to rig. I'll be using a low poly bear for this example. To make rigging easier, switch to wireframe mode so you can see the bones inside your mesh. Now, press Shift plus A, go to Armature, and choose Single Bone. When you start rigging, always begin with the spine, then move on to the neck, and finally the head. So, move your bone into place by pressing G and position it along the spine. Then, select the tip of the bone and press E to extrude it upward to create the rest of the spine. Next, for the legs, add a new bone. Place it at the top of the leg and extrude downward toward the feet. Repeat this process for all 4 legs. Once you've built the basic skeleton, it's time to attach the rig to the animal. Now we need to add weights. And no, not the kind you lift at the gym. In Blender, weight painting controls how much influence each bone has on the surrounding mesh. Red means full influence. Blue means no influence. Everything in between are partial weights. This process helps the mesh bend and deform naturally when the bones move. But if you're anything like me and don't feel like spending hours painting weights, let's use automatic weights instead. Here's how. Select your rig. Hold Shift and select your animal. Press Ctrl plus P with automatic weights. Now, one of 2 things will happen. A, it works perfectly. B, Blender gives you an error. If it doesn't work, don't panic. Here's how to fix it. Go into Edit mode. Select your mesh. Then go to the Mesh menu. Clean up. Merge by distance. This will remove overlapping vertices that can break automatic weighting. If that still doesn't solve it, try reducing the mesh density. Go to the Modifier tab, add a decimate modifier, and lower the ratio value. Watch your face count drop. Stop when it starts affecting the shape. Click Apply and try automatic weights again. Now that the rig is ready, we can finally animate. Animation isn't always easy, but one of the simplest ways to get good results is to reference real movement. You can add a video behind your animal in the viewport to guide your animation timing and poses. For this tutorial, I've already done a simple animation just so we can focus on the motion path. To add motion paths, press Shift plus A, go to Curve, and select Path. In Edit mode, adjust the control points to shape the path you want your animal to follow. Next, select your armature, go to the Constraints tab, and add a Follow Path constraint. Set the target to the path you just made, and enable Follow Curve. Adjust the axis so your animal faces the right direction. Then click Animate Path. Press play and watch your animal move smoothly along the curve. If you want to control the speed, select the curve, go to Path Animation in the Data Properties, and adjust the frame's value. The higher it is, the slower your animal moves. And that's it. You've just learned how to rig, animate, and add motion paths to animals in Blender.